Hello guys, welcome back to the Four Seasons in Sweden. And today we're going to go in the forest to find some mushrooms, and we're expected to find some finiban. And let's go, and I hope you follow me until the end. Thank you so much. Look, I have found this. Wow, finiban. Look, I have found this. Wow, finiban. Wow. Hanap tayo ng finiban. Wow. Oh, huge. And then two twin. Wow, putlong. I found one more here. Look. Oi. So, look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wait. Have some more one here. Wow. Huge. One more I have found. I don't see it as blind. And some kind. And so basot. Oh, pink. And that's still okay. So, oh, big one. Oh, I found one. Finiban. There. And another one. What? Look, it's really big. Wow. I don't know this. It's still okay. I think we have get enough penny bun mushrooms, so we're going to go home, guys, and we're going to clean our penny bun in the house, and we're going to boil it to preserve in the freezer. call it fini bun, and we're going to slice it, and we're going to boil that so we can save it in the freezer. So I have already sorry guys, I have a little bit cold. Wait, that's not good. Some of our mushroom, they have what do you call that, the worms in the, so we're going to throw it away so we can look more if we have some good part of this mushroom, because now it is fall. It begins of the fall, and it is a little bit cold, and a lot of or some worms eating the mushroom, so you have to be careful to look if they have some worm inside. So I think we're going to draw. So I think, yeah, there's no worms. There's no worms already, but it's starting to get old. So put it in the casserole, and we're going to boil it. I'm going to take out this part. I can look if it's how they have worms, what they call that, in the mushroom. Some part they have. So now we're going to divide it into here, like that. So this one is no worm, but it is begins to get old. It's better when I look always or every day the penny bun, so they are really delicious when they are young. And this one is it already begins to be old. is hot. And I put it here in the strainer. Like that. And so we're going to wash it with the cold water, or it doesn't matter, it's so warm also. I think it's better it's so when they wash it, just look like this. So we can leave it for a moment so the water is cool down in this strainer. And this water is no more. So we can put it in the fridge so we can use it for the future cooking. Or tomorrow I'm going to cook the vegetables, and I want to add also the meat. I love to add the pork. So it looks like also a meat. So and we're going to put it here for a moment so your water is coming all out. And now guys, it's ready to put it inside in our freezer. Thank you so much for watching.